94 जरा पढ़ लें।
मैं इस पे भी आगे पहले क्लियर कर लूं ना, क्लियर कर लूं that sub rule 2 आप पूरा जरा देखेंगे,
ये अटॉर्नी
for the
जनरल
purpose of determination of share of each
ये
political party.
अटॉर्नी जनरल मेरे ख्याल में रूल 94 का सब रूल 1 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
जी
94 जरा पढ़ लें
पूरा पढ़ लेते हैं।
We'll appreciate
ठीक
95.
उसी ऑर्डर में, so 4 and 5 and then 94 and then 95. The commission shall by notification the official gazette declare the total number of reserved seats won by each political party in the National Assembly and the provincial assemblies respectively. 2.
इधर जरा रुक चाहिए जी। You see, इस पूरी कंट्रोवर्सी जो हमारे सामने है, दिस इज वेयर यू सी जहाँ पे ये सारा क्राइसिस कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट हुई है। One political party has been virtually eliminated by the election commission. Had it not been done, there would have been no controversy.
I'll turn to it later, my lord. Of course, I've noticed my lord's observation and I have been taking notes. 2.
आगे पढ़ें।
जी. The percentum share of each political party shall be worked out with reference to total number of general seats in the National Assembly or as the case may be, the respective provincial assemblies.
This actually stands quite as the leadership is pointing out that 95-2 seems to be inconsistent with 95-4 too.
95-2 seems to be consistent. Inconsistent. अच्छा।
इधर कहीं नहीं कह रहा कि एक्सक्लूड कर दो।
तो उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव, अब उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? If we go by what
इसको पूरा पढ़ लें, आगे भी बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। So इधर 2 में तो हो गया the percentage share of each political party
जी
shall be
जी. In calculating the number of seats, the highest fraction shall be taken as 1 seat till the allocation of total reserved seats in the National Assembly is concerned. Now, this is important also. All seats have to be allocated. So please park it aside, but all seats have to be allocated. Let's move on to 4. The seats reserved for non-Muslims and women shall be divided among the political parties on the basis of their percentum share as worked out in sub-rule 2 and in order of priority of the names of candidates mentioned in the party
So
list.
if you could work out a real life problem on the basis of 94, हमें कोई कैलकुलेशन करके दिखा देते तो ज्यादा आसान हो।
मैं इसकी आपको एक अभी लेट्स 2 हाइपोथेटिकल्स में कर लेते हैं। वैसे तो ये जो 2002 वाला दिखाया था वो उसका रिस्पांस है जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, उसको अगर आप देखेंगे तो उसका ये इस चीज का आंसर आ जाएगा वहां पे, बट मैं अभी के भी जो है वो भी हम वर्कआउट कर लेते हैं। But my lords will bear at least or will at least appreciate that no seat, reserve seat can be left vacant. मैं उसके ऊपर separately आऊँगा. I have my lords.
This issue can be easily resolved because this is actually based in mathematics of it. So if 94 में कोई example लेके आप पहले percentum calculate करके फिर fraction calculate, हमें actually उसकी flow बता दें तो समझ आ जाएगा।
जी जरा देख लेना, ये 2002 वाला देख लें, हम इसको 2024 पे भी अप्लाई करें।
किधर है?
ये अभी मैंने आपको दिया, एक सिंगल पेज आया आपके पास। Now this is the 10 reserved seats which were being filled in.
2018 का जो था, that was the first general election under this new system. ये जो Election Act 2017
Right.
और Election Rule 2000
हाँ 18 का
उसमें कोई the very peculiar problem that we are facing on the facts, I mean, that apparently did not exist. And presumably all the seats were reserved seats were filled in.
Yes, despite the independence.
So, उसका हमें जरा kindly example देना. Maybe that may be better because then we can ease more readily. अब 2002 का पता नहीं अब क्या था.
उसका मैं थोड़ा सा इसलिए कह रहा हूँ वो आपको
2018 का जो under the new regime electoral regime आया और इसमें apparently मेरा मतलब है इस किस्म का कोई
मतलब हम इसमें एक्चुअली आज जो हमारी पोजीशन है ना उसकी एक्चुअल फिगर्स लेके आप बना दे पंजाब का।
मैं इसको तो जरा इसको लेट मी पुट इट
थोड़ा सा है ना उसमें आप कह रहे हैं कि 5% माइनस हो गया
इसमें अटॉर्नी जनरल
लेकिन ये जो
अटॉर्नी जनरल
प्रोविजन क्रिएट हो रही है
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इसी रूल के तहत कैलकुलेट की थी इनिशियली SIC की भी काउंट करके, लेकिन उन्होंने उसको एलोकेट नहीं की थी because the matter was sub judice.
and the status of the party was not clear yet at that time.
That in itself, in this election 2024, these, by treating SIC as a political party, they had made this allocations and distribution according to this rule.
My lord, brief response. When the first time allocation was made, the status from what I have seen and from the record, the status of SIC as a political party was not clear for the purpose of 51(6). That decision on the status of that party being entitled or not to the reserve seats was taken later on, and then when that decision was taken and they were treated as independents, Rule 94 read with Rule 95(2) was applied. Now let me take a pause here. I'll come back to what my lord has observed that 2018 is something we should look at, but
आप जरा
the
92
overarching
Rule 92 देखें please. That's where this chapter starts. Rule 92.
which sub rule or which rule? Sub rule?
Sub Rule 6. But read the heading first.
Elections to reserve seats in National Assembly, Chapter 6.
आगे पढ़े ना 92.
Election to seats reserved for women and non-Muslims.
And then come to Sub Rule 6.
Yes.